This is so very emotional, guys. Heartbreaking. Okay. Okay, let's go. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमिली. क्या हाल है? सो गाइस, आज मैं एक म्यूजिक रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ ऑन द सॉन्ग मेहंदी वाले हाथ, sung by Guru Randhawa featuring Sanjana Sangi. Okay, I'm super excited to watch this song and मतलब मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ ये सॉन्ग देखने के लिए. सो ज़्यादा ना बेसिकली लेट्स वॉच एंड वॉचिंग ऑन माई फोन एंड हियर गो. एंड अगर आपने मेरी तरह नहीं देखा एंड यूर वॉचिंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, सो लेट्स वॉच टुगेदर. हियर वी गो. Okay guys, the cover looks super amazing, so interesting. So let's watch.
I can't approve this. What is this? गांव जाना है and without any reason. Get set. You are going on a mission. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. मेहंदी वाले हाथ वो तेरे, पायल वाले पाँव. मेहंदी वाले हाथ वो तेरे, पायल वाले पाँव. याद बहुत आते हैं मुझको तू और अपना गाँव. कच्ची पगडंडी के रास्ते और नीम की छाँव. कच्ची पगडंडी के रास्ते और नीम की छाँव. याद बहुत आते हैं मुझको तू और अपना गाँव. मेहंदी वाले हाथ. गाँव का वो तालाब जहाँ हर रोज मिला करता था. बातें करते करते तेरी चूड़ी भी गिनता था. तेरी भोली बातें सुनकर अक्सर मैं हंसता था. याद उन्हें अब भी करता हूँ शहर में सुबह शाम. याद उन्हें अब भी करता हूँ शहर में सुबह शाम. याद बहुत आते हैं मुझको तू और अपना गाँव. मेहंदी वाले हाथ, ओ मेहंदी वाले हाथ. ओ, क्या तूने अब भी रखे हैं प्रेम के वो संदेश? पत्थर बांध के छत पर तेरी देता था जो फेंक. याद मुझे करता है क्या तू अब भी उनको देख? क्या तेरे होठों को पता है अब भी मेरा नाम? क्या तेरे होठों को पता है अब भी मेरा नाम? याद बहुत आते हैं मुझको तू और अपना गाँव. मेहंदी वाले हाथ वो तेरे, पायल वाले पाँव. मेहंदी वाले हाथ वो तेरे, पायल वाले पाँव. याद बहुत आते हैं मुझको तू और अपना गाँव.
Okay guys, honestly बताओ तो first of all, before starting this video or giving any review to the video, I would like to give a salute to all the soldiers, respect to all the soldiers who are working day and night, giving their heart and soul for us, like, you know, just to save us, and, you know, sacrificing everything that everything, no matter what it is. यहाँ पे दिखाया गया कि you know the soldier had to live his beloved, मतलब Guru Randava had to live his beloved, that is Sanjana Sanghi, in the song. But you know, people like the soldiers, they literally have to sacrifice a lot, a hell lot, matlab, and I don't think they get even a percent of, you know, what they do for us. So just a salute to every person, like every soldier. If anyone is watching this, salute hai aap sabko. And like it's a big respect for you guys. So you know, it is a blessing that we have you guys, and we don't even take this into acknowledgement ki, you know, they are working for us, they are working hard for us, and it's just something that's not right. When someone dies, you know, unfortunately, that time only we give this credit and something like that, otherwise not. So ye hona nahi chahiye, you know. These people are risking their lives and working for us, and it is not their job, it is, they have taken this duty. People should understand that, and you know, give them the love and respect that they deserve. So salute to all the soldiers, salute to all the people who are working for us, for the nation. So salute है आप सबको. थोड़ा गंभीर बात हो गया. Let's change the topic. Coming to the song, guys, I really enjoyed the song क्या कह रही हूँ मैं. I really enjoyed the song, guys. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये गाना. Like the way Guru Randava has sung the song, it's really amazing, and the chemistry between Guru Randava and Sanjana Sanghi is like, wow. It's really awesome to watch both of them. And जो एक पार्ट था ना, मतलब जहाँ पे संजना संगी is tying knots with another guy, and you know, she was like still hopeful कि गुरु रंधावा आएगा, and also उधर नहीं आता तो वहाँ पे पूरा हार्ट ब्रेक हो गया, मतलब दिल टूट गया मेरा. So that part was really heartbreaking to me, and honestly बहुत ही ख़राब लगा वो देख के. So that moment was really, it was like, ये होना ज़रूरी था क्या. You could have come, but he didn't get the, क्या कहते हैं इसको, didn't get the permission. So क्या कर सकते हैं अभी. Okay, bye. He didn't get the permission and all, so because of that he couldn't come, and she had to unfortunately marry someone else. So God, this is really unfortunate and really heartbreaking. But coming to the song was really, you know, it was heart touching. It had a very strong feeling, I will say, and it's just like, I guess ये जो गाना है, it's more of, you know, reminding us youngsters that, you know, the soldiers, how they work and how much they sacrifice and all. So that is, you know, really commendable for, like, to T-Series. I will say it's really nice that T-Series is promoting something like this. It's really nice. So a big thumbs up to T-Series for this, and a big salute to T-Series for this as well. So really मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये गाना. So I liked the song totally, and I liked the whole vibe of the song, be it the set, be it the color combination, be it the storyline, or be it the lyrical part. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Even if you say, guys, the combination between Sanjana Sanghi and Guru Randava is very nice. So I will like to see them more in future. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उन दोनों की chemistry. So in all, if you see, it's like 10 on 10 for me. I like the song. If you haven't watched the song yet, go and watch the song. It's on T-Series channel, YouTube channel. So go and watch the song. What are you waiting for? So yeah, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and do comment down below if you have anything to say about this video, and if you like, comment down below about how you felt about this entire video and give your reviews about it. And this amazing makeup that you're seeing, guys, is done by my elder sister Urmi Rudra. So she has a YouTube channel. Go and subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. I'll put the link in the description box below. So please जाके subscribe कर देना. And she has this amazing photography stuff that's coming up. So please do stay tuned for that as well. And also share this video if you agree with me, and सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. प्लीज़ 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 मुझे आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए इन दिस जर्नी. सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं, डू कमेंट डाउन बिलो. एंड या एंड और क्या, and follow me on Insta and FB. So the link is in the description box as always. And guys, as I always say, please 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 do stay safe. अभी वैक्सीन निकल चुका है almost. So let's hope for the best. Let's see when we are going to receive the vaccine and all. So let's just see what happens and let's hope for the best. And yeah, and also one more thing is that to all my Bengali people out there, happy Posh Sankranti. Today is Posh Sankranti, so Shubha Posh Sankranti everyone. Everyone's going to have pitas, but I can't right now because of some issues that are going on. But yeah, that's life. But Shubha Posh Sankranti to all my Bengali people out there. So enjoy today's day because it's something big for all of us, all the Bengali people. So Shubha Posh Sankranti to everyone. And yeah, and a big salute to all the soldiers. If anyone is watching this, to all the soldiers, salute hai aapko. So thank you for making our lives secure. So yeah, and that's what guys. और माफ़ी अगर मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोल दिया. I got a little emotional in between. So but yeah, okay, so होता है. So yeah, so that's what guys. Thank you for seeing the video till now and bearing me. And yeah, so this is Amira, that bad girl. Bye, have a great day. And yeah, I look good, don't I? Okay, so bye, have a great day always.